Well, task 4. In the task 4, we have to practice writing and speaking. So here, we have to think about our future job and career, okay? You have to think about your future job. What job do you want in your future? What career do you want to have in your future? And that's how you have to write a paragraph about all that. And then we have to go and speak all those sentences. You have to speak that paragraph to your partner. And that's how you're gonna click here. And then you have to submit it after you record your speaking activity. So what is the first activity? The first activity is about writing, okay? Do you think it's important to like your job? Why or why not? So what do we have to do? We have to go to the practice book. In here, we have to write a paragraph about if we like our job or not. And if we like our job, why do we like it? If we don't like our job, why don't we like it? So you have to write a paragraph about it. And after you write a paragraph about this and answer this question, you have to go and click on the icon to start your recording. And then you have to say your paragraph. You have to say the answer of this question to your partner. Okay? And after that, you will submit this activity. Okay? Did you get it, guys?
Yes, I got.
Cool. So you've got 2 minutes to do this activity. Please write a few sentences, okay? And talk about your job. So you have to answer if it is important to like your job. So if you don't have any job right now, think about your job. If it is important to like your job in the future, okay? And answer this question. And please do mention the reason why. Why do you think it's important to like your job? As soon as you write a paragraph and answer this question, do let me know so that we can go ahead and do the speaking activity. One minute to go, guys. You have to be a fast typer. Can you hear me, Shahid? Are you there, Shahid?
Yes, I am.
Okay. So how many sentences have you written until now?
I have just written 2 sentences.
Okay, come on, go ahead. You have to write about 4 to 5 sentences to make a paragraph. Asif, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
How many sentences have you written until now?
Sir, I can speak.
Okay, that's great. But have you written anything yet?
No, sir, because my app is not open.
Okay, I got it. You've got a problem with your application. Doesn't matter, you can update it later, okay? And do
Yes,
this activity. If you don't complete this activity, you know that, okay? You are not gonna be able to get the UK certification because we have to pause this course, okay? You gotta pause this course. You have to complete each and everything here.
yes, sir.
Good. Shahid.
Yes, sir.
So let's go for the speaking activity right now. Shahid, I need you to click on the icon below and start your recording. As soon as you click on the icon, please start to speak about what you have written as a paragraph.
Okay. The activity is there. Do you think it's important to like your job forever? I will be a future web engineer. As a web engineer, I will do many tasks related to its development. Now I am working on a skill set that it requires. It is about developing an online websites like Amazon, Alibaba, or any other educational institutions like Imperial or other same category.
Okay. How about the reason?
That's
Why do you want to be an engineer? Why do you like this job? Why do you think it's important to like your job if you become an engineer? Huh?
because I have worked on that uh, category to work as web engineer. I have a skill set, but I have to take some improvements in that skill set to join as a web engineer. As a web
Okay.
engineer, I will do. It has a high scope in digital market,
Okay.
online, remote. I can work remotely with the other companies in international companies.
Okay, fine. That's why you want to be an engineer.
Yes.
Okay, now you can click on submit and stop the recording. Okay, so Asif, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So do you think it's important to like your job
Yes,
tomorrow
sir.
when you get a job? Do you think it's important to like what you do?
Yes, sir.
Okay, why? Why do you
Sir,
think it's important to like your job?
sir, teaching is my favorite field. There are many fields, but teaching is my favorite field, and it is a good job. Um it is a peaceful job, and it is a good platform where we
Okay.
can share our knowledge with others and can learn many things more and more knowledge.
That's great. Guys, you've made a mistake. Look, you haven't understood the question. What does the question say? It doesn't
Yes,
ask about your job, what your job is. It asks if it is important to like your job. Look, I am an English language teacher, right? Teaching is my
yes,
job. So
yes,
if somebody asks me if I like my job or not, if I like my
yes,
job, why? If I don't like my job, why? Look, I love my job. Why? Because I enjoy to teach, because it gives me pleasure. to help people understand about English language. To teach English is my passion. To speak English is fun for me. That's
Okay,
why.
sir.
That's why I like my job. You
Okay, sir.
understand? I haven't
Yes.
talked about teaching, okay? I haven't talked about the skills of teaching. I have
Okay.
just talked about why I think my job it is like important to like my job.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so
Yes.
it was the last task. So what did we do today? We practiced speaking and writing, and we practiced about likes and dislikes, and we also practiced about job kind of activity, if we like or if we don't like our job, and why is it important to like your job or not like your job. So if you guys have any questions about anything, we have practiced vocabulary, reading and writing, speaking, writing and speaking. If you guys have any questions about anything, you can ask me right now. Yes, Shahid, do you have any question, please?
No, sir, I don't have a question. No.
Okay, and how about you, Asif? Did you get it well?
Yes, sir.
That's great. So let's see you tomorrow then. And don't forget to complete your all tasks, okay?
Inshallah,
You,
sir.
you have to complete each and everything here. See
Okay, sir.
you.
Inshallah.
Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Allah
Thank you, sir.
Hafiz.
Good night.
Yes.
Allah